speaking the river, Kiambu County Water Environmental Welfare Minister David Kuria noted that the river endangering the health of people who depend on it around Kiambu and Nairobi counties. Currently, there are plans for the two counties to participate in cleaning and planting trees along the edges.
We are here at Make Ward, the Kasarani River, where we are doing a bit of distilting or river drenching. After we received some complaint from the locals and also the local member of County Assembly to appeal to our local residents, particularly those who are able not to misuse their position nor their wealthy, to subject other citizens to such conditions. Because I can't believe that some people are staying here and they are next to this piggery. And the piggery has become a dumping site for all other things. I'm also told that he's also doing some sorting out of the material. And I'll reach Nairobi counterpart to find out whether this person is legally allowed to be here. I also want to make it clear that environmental issues, they are not confined to a particular county. They are not just confined to, like this one is confined to the Kiambu County. It is a cross-cutting issue. And we have to work with the Nairobi people so that we can be able to address. We are going to work with the WRI, that is Water Resource Authority, so that we can peg along all this river from where it exits Nairobi and where it's coming from Kiambu.
Well, that story does it for Business at 1. News Desk continues after this short break. Robinson Kenny comes up with sports.